Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the GRT chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the GRT chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart, on the daily chart, by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $2.9 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0518 market. And after seeing the bear market low, whatever we expect here on the long-term scenarios is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $4.6866 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting GRT to do on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upper side, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave to the upside. Then after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, then started the formation of this wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that lies between the $0.1656 mark and the $0.1445 mark, and that is the minimum that I was expecting that fourth wave to the lower side to do. And in my yesterday's video, I said to you that in case we lose the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart and the breakdown continues, then we need to have an extension of this target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.1445 mark and the $0.1234 mark. And this target area right here in blue is an extension of this target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4 in case the breakdown continues. And you can see that yesterday, that is today in the morning, we saw a massive sell-off over here, which got us into this blue target area and also gave us a low at around the $0.1352 mark. So in case the breakdown continues here on the GRT chart, we need to continue watching this blue target area, because it is within this blue target area that I'll be expecting GRT to continue holding within, for us to continue saying that whatever we are seeing over here is the formation of this wave 4. And once we continue holding within this blue target area, then there are chances of seeing a massive recovery to the upper side, get above the 20-day MA, also manage to make a high above the high at around the $0.187 mark in what we could term as the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 5 that I'm expecting here on the long-term scenarios, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gave me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.2751 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting GRT to do on the long-term scenarios. But for now, in case the breakdown continues, we need to continue watching the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.78. That target area needs to continue holding for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 4, and soon we can expect a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 40 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support any lower movements, and also any further movements to the upper side to still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, meaning there are chances of continuing to see a breakdown here on the GRT chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.